Let's start. Can you see now?
Currently, I'm not able to see the screen, but maybe in a minute or so it will come. Sometimes it takes little time.
Take your time.
Hmm. Yes, it is visible now.
Okay, let's start.
Okay, so
Let's start
actually
with
today,
RX. Yes, please start.
yeah, so it's for everybody. Like in our previous sessions, we discussed more about short answers, the first part of the IELTS examination. Today, we are going to specially move towards the second most important part of IELTS speaking, that is cue cards. So cue cards, actually, sometimes what happens whenever cue cards are given to the candidate reads it and goes, kind of a blank situation where he or she is not able to understand what needs to be said. So here we are not only going to go through some examples, but we are also going to understand the strategy, that what should be the right strategy to give answers for cue cards. So let's proceed with that. So let's understand. There is a cue card, for example. So we really need to understand, like, talk about the work of art you have seen. So whenever the question comes, like, talk about the work of art, so you might just get puzzled. Question is simple, but what now? What next is to be done? So you can divide it into subsections, like what the work of art was. You can take example of any piece of art which you made or which your friend made. You have seen it somewhere. Maybe you have seen it in the museum, maybe in somebody's house while you're passing through the road. So first of all, make sure that what exactly you are going to talk about.
Uh,
Second,
Ma'am, I have
we,
a question. Uh,
yeah, please.
uh, in this particular question, that is stated that talk about the work of art. So, can we explain the films also, like, because it is also a part of art. So, will that be good or not?
See, exactly, you can go for it. That's again a work of art. So, where what you can do, you can start by telling the name of the film and plus also telling the industry to which it belongs. It's a Bollywood, Hollywood, it's from Japan, China. So, you have to make sure whenever you are talking about any movie, don't assume that examiner is knowing about the movie or the name of the movie. Please carry the background also, because you are talking about some a subject which might not be known to the examiner. So you can take the name of a movie, any particular theater show which you have seen. They
Mhm.
all come under the piece of art only.
Yes. Okay.
Okay, so what the work of art was, first. Second, where you saw it, when you saw it, and say whether you enjoyed that work of art or not. Okay, so when you divide your question into four parts, then it is very easy for the person to speak for 1 to 2 minutes. So you can always first describe what it was. For example, if you're talking about the movie, you can tell the name of the movie. If it's in English, okay. If it's a Hindi movie or any regional film, then you have to explain what that name particularly means. You have to give little knowledge about the kind of movie. Please don't get into the details of actors and all. Where you saw it, you can quote the time when you saw it, along with where, the place, and then you have to say whether you enjoyed that or not, right? And if yes, then why? So you need to define that why particularly you like this, work of art in comparison to all others. We can move to the next one. Can we please move to the next slide? Hello?
I was on mute.
Okay, yeah. So let's move on to the next one. Okay. So now we are going to understand something more about, what we are talking about cue cards. This part simply tells you what is the topic you need to talk about. Points to note include the topic will always be a general topic. So you have to make sure that it is a kind, you take hundreds of cue cards. They will be all be very, very generic topic, which everyone can talk about. Very simple things from our nearby life. The topic is always personal, something you have seen. So the first part, like piece of art, work of art, is always a general topic. Second part would be the personal, where they're asking when you saw it, where you saw it, right? And the last part would be talk about that piece of work. So you need to understand whenever cue card comes in front of you, first of all, divide it into four sections. Understanding about cue card, where, when, how it was. Then you can divide it further while making notes. That first part is very general. You can talk about general things. Second part needs to be personal, where you have to give your personal experiences related to the question which was asked. Now, we will be talking about part 2, where we have to give the details, and this part fetches the marks for the candidate. This part is different. You are asked to add details about the main topic. These details are answers to what, where, when, who. The details you are asked to add are descriptions, not explanations. Make sure that you are just describing. You are not giving any kind of explanation that why it happened. No. How it happened is a part of the question, but why is not the detail. You can details to the questions on the card. In fact, it is good advice to do this. What the work of art was, where you saw it, when you saw it. So in short, they are actually telling that you have to cover up the fine details which are very generic. You have to further tell about your personal experiences. Not don't have to go into the descriptions and explanations. Now, the part 3, this part is different again. Here you are asked to add an explanation, and the question is almost always a how, if, or why. Point 2 note include. It is sometimes easier to say more about this part. Explanations tends to be longer than simple descriptions. There may be more to say, but explanations are harder to normally than descriptions. Your brain has to do lot of work. So the part 3 consists of explanation. So first we are talking about general topic, then second we will be talking about personal experiences related to the particular topic given, and third part of the story covers the explanation. Like we will again go back to the question to understand. First was the piece of art, a general topic. Second, when and where you saw it, that's about your personal experience. And third, why you liked it, that is the explanation. So you will see that mostly all the questions can be divided into general, personal, and explanation. If you will follow this advice, you will see that it is now becoming very easy for you to give answers to the cue card, which was very difficult earlier. So now let's see what we have to do in the next list. As soon as the cue card would be displayed, you will be given a time, a minute, to scribble down the notes, what you are going to say next. When you make notes, I believe it will help to focus on what notes you make. So it's not that you'll be writing anything or everything, but make sure that you are making notes with a proper focus. You just try to make notes generally. You make no notes at all or get notes you can't use. So sometimes it will happen that 1 minute will pass, there'll be no notes. Sometimes you will write down something, but while speaking, you'll not be able to use them. You should also remember that you only have 1 minute. This means that notes you make are very limited because the time is limited. So notes which you are going to make are very limited. So try to utilize this 1 minute with lot of efficiency, because if this 1 minute will pass, then you'll have to create the answer for another 1 minute or 2 minutes, and that could be a bit challenging and you can lose the track. Making notes of vocabulary. So we need to understand whether it is useful or not. Yes, sometimes it depends if you are already good with vocabulary while you have been into training. So you can make notes of vocabulary. This is one idea, that the person can write down words like painting, masterpiece, artist, gallery, exhibition. So the person utilized 1 minute for not creating the story, but for noting down the vocabulary, and then while speaking, he or she can use these vocabulary in a generic way while creating the answer to ensure that vocabulary part has been quite well settled. Right? So now we have a question. What the work of art was, plus artist, what type, where it was, where exactly, when you saw it, when exactly, who, with, why, go. This is a test of communication, not knowledge, right? So it is, make sure that this is a test of communication, not knowledge. So it is about that you are making a clear cut communication, a flawless communication with the examiner. It is not about the general knowledge. So you have to make a simple, what work of art was it? You are going to put one noun, then you are going to put the name of the artist. Then it was what kind of, it was, whether it was a painting or it was a kind of a movie or it was some kind of mural. Where you saw it, you have to again tell about the place. Where exactly, you can tell about the location. When you saw it, then again you can say that I really cherish the big time when I saw it, when I was in, my college. Exactly, it was 5 years back with my dear friend, and a lot of my colleagues were together. We went there just for a casual outing. So what you are maintaining a flawless communication, and it is not at all important that you should take name of some, known places. You can also describe something which is not known. It is all about your way of communication which you are going to showcase there. And say whether you enjoyed that work of art, it was educational or fun. So now the question which you are going to describe after we have learned it from the previous slides, the way of thinking for you people must have changed a little bit. Earlier you were just trying to answer, but now you are going to answer your cue cards in a systematic order, giving 1 minute in a very sensible way. First of all, telling what it was, where, when, and then why, plus some limited vocabulary which should be in sync with the question which is being asked. So let's have a practice round here. To understand how the question works, it can make sense to write out your own cue card. Okay. If you will write your own cue card, you will understand that what is the kind of answer you expect. Similarly, the kind of answer which you expect is expected by the examiner. This makes you think about the detailed questions and the opinion questions. Now, for example, we are going to put something over here. You can make, a very simple example. Talk about, we can fill it a dash with anything, talk about your favorite watch. Right. Okay, you can come up with something. Yes.
Watch good. Your favorite watch.
Yeah. Yes. So, like, you can talk about your favorite watch, first of all. Second, you can talk about your favorite, probably, a simple thing like pen. You can talk about your visit to a museum. You can talk about your first training session. You can talk about your first interview for job. So, it can be anything. right? So now it is like you should say when, where, who, what, and you should also explain why. So let's take a simple example. Talk about your first job interview which you have attended. So you should say when. So we can start. My first job interview or my first job experience where I attempted to, get through a job by cracking an interview happened some 5 years back or 5 years down the line, where I was straight out of college and I was trying to get into the industry. It was in Delhi, a Connaught Place, and I was called for an interview through a consultant who was known to one of my friends. Actually, it was an interview for a customer care executive. I went there to have some experience that how to crack an interview, and of course I was needing a job because that was my last year of the college. So I made it very simple. So similarly, you can also try this particular slide on your own by first placing very simple question and then giving a very simple answer to it without taking any time.
Means that
See
we need
if
to put in all those W's, that is when, where, who, what, and one more thing, that is H, how. Okay, so if you'll be like, this can be a trick also, like whenever you'll be asked any question, so most of the questions can be replied using this trick, like all the W's and one H, that is how.
exactly. Yes.
Okay, yes.
And second thing, you will see that just because of this W's, which we just told you will see that your fluency has increased. You are not, cracking in between. It is not that you are thinking, going back, imagining something, and then trying to, create anything. So this will help you to give a kind of a, very systematic approach to give an answer which is expected during the cue card. Now we are coming to the third, that's the last part. What we are there now, they are telling that verbs of speculations. Avoid parroting, paraphrase, using you, we, they, general observations, fillers to buy time. That's an interesting question. So, in short, what is actually this particular? But they mean that you should avoid kind of a paraphrasing. That means don't repeat which you have already said. Speculations can also be tricky because you can end up in giving an answer which doesn't have a finish, because when you're speculating you might be puzzled and the time would be over. You can have some fillers to buy time, like this was an interesting question, I would really love to answer this. This is very interesting. I really would be interested in giving this particular reason that why I did this. That means you need to create a style of answering in case you find that there is some kind of filler in between and you are taking few seconds to go to the next particular sections which you are going to say. So in short, in part 3, go for the explanation. Don't go for much of detailing. Don't go for paraphrasing and don't go for speculations because then the time would be short. Prepare for Skype sessions like what we are going to do. We are going to take up a question. Describe an artist or an entertainer you admire. So, for example, this is the question. You have to describe an artist or entertainer you admire. What is all you can see? First of all, we can imagine before giving the answer that what all can be added. First of all, they are talking about an artist. So let's go back and understand that what was our first thing, that we need to tell who is the artist or the entertainer, who they are and what they do. That is the first thing, because I can only start my answer by referring to the name of the particular artist, or if they are group of artists, they're kind of a musical band or something, a troupe of dancers. So then you can tell their names or a name of a person if he or she is a single person whom you are telling. What they do, are they dance troopers, musician, like an artist, film star, and how long they have been into this particular entertainment industry. How they have become successful. Now we are jumping to the second thing, how they have become successful. They have become successful because their work is really, really admired by people all around the world. It could be one option. Second, they are liked. They are particular set of entertainers who are liked by local people. From past 5 years, they have become a rage. They are YouTubers. So it is like you can simply tell like it is by local people, globally admired. They are YouTubers. So you can tell how they have become successful, why and when. How you found about them. Okay, so they are a known Bollywood actors. They are particularly the musicians. They are classical dance performers. And like how you find about them, like you get to know it from your friend or maybe through into this hoardings, maybe through TV broadcast, and why you admire them. Now, this is the last part, remember, where we don't have to go for speculations, but we need to explain. So you can simply use the trick which I told you probably 2, 3 weeks ago, where you have to tell about the qualities of a person. So why you admire them? You can tell because of the social skills of the person, because of the dance performance, because they are full-fledged entertainers, because of their work schedule. So you can tell anything, particularly just two qualities you have to pick up, because if you'll go into further detailing, then again you will be end up in making a mess at the end. So you can just take up two qualities and why you admire them. So now when you are going to describe this question, you will see that how nicely you are framing the answer. You are not repeating, you are not lagging behind, you are not dragging any kind of quality again and again. You have covered everything, who they are, what they do, how long they have been doing, how they become successful, when they became successful. Because it could be different. Person can perform from past 10 years, maybe he just tasted the success in within past 1 year. So how you got to know what you admire about them. So this would be the complete answer about an artist or entertainment you admire.
Okay, it's over.
So this is the way we are going to understand. Now I am going to start with few questions of Q card, and after that I'm going to give some sample answers, and will hope that you would be able to frame similar Q card answers with better efficiency, more fluency than the previous attempts which you made. You can ask me any questions by the time we are playing the second one. Is there any question in your mind? Anybody can ask.
Yes, ma'am, I need to ask some.
Please go ahead.
So, uh, what you have, what we have understood is that we need to use four W's,
Yes.
and those are what, when, where, and why. Okay.
Yes.
So is there any sequence of those things, or we need to cover all the things? Because there might be a case that in the middle of something we cannot remember how the sequence was. So
No,
I
no,
think, do we
not a
need
problem.
to cover all
Yes.
the W's, or is it
No,
like
no.
there's a sequence?
No, no. See, it's not at all important that you have to use all of them. What is more important that you have to understand that first should be the answer to the question, second should be your personal experience, and third should be why. So you can reduce, you have to make sure that I am answering the question which is asked, then I'm telling about my personal experience with that particular topic, and lastly I'm going to explain why. So in between, if you think while you are scribbling down your answer, like before giving the answer to the examiner, you can see if the answer is very simple, you will utilize all the W's. If the answer is little if the answer is little complicated, then you will not be able to use all of them because the time could be a challenge. So you have to see this during your practice, that which kind of questions will utilize all W's and which are those type of questions where you cannot get into such detailing because the question is little different and we cannot use like when, why. So there are some questions where you'll not be able to use when and why. For example,
I would say
yeah.
that the best way would be like to start with a filler type of thing that okay that was thank you, that's a good question. Okay, so like this you can do like anyways if you get struck by a question which is somehow you are feeling that it is a little off the grid. Okay, that means it is a little difficult. So what will be saying that okay, thank you for asking me such a nice question. Now I'm going to tell you more about it. So by that time you'll be borrowing some time. This filler is being used always so as to borrow some time and to frame the initials. That is the introduction. A little bit of. So the moment you'll be doing this filler and then putting up another introduction, by that time you'll be getting some time to think about more things in your subconscious. Okay. So what you'll be doing is you'll be getting probably the answers of how, what, when, okay, or sometimes you'll not be getting. So you'll be following the trick which ma'am is telling you right now. Okay. Yes, ma'am, please continue.
So let's see some of the sample cue cards with sample answers. After that, we'll be giving one cue card to all of you so you can practice on that. So let's start. Let's see what these samples are. So any one of you can read the question.
Ma'am, shall I?
Yeah, please.
Okay. So describe a decision made by someone you know that changed his or her life. You should say who this person is or was, what decision she made, whether it was a good decision, and explain how this has changed this person's life. You will have to talk about the topic for 1 to 2 minutes. You will have 1 minute to think about what you are going to say. You can make some notes to help you if you wish.
Okay. So now what all, see, we just have 1 minute. So what all we are going to do, we can write some vocabulary if it is coming to our mind, like we are going to describe a person. So we did discuss about the vocabulary related to person. Second, immediately think about a person. Then immediately, just make a note that what decision was. Go for simple things because it is not about knowledge, it is about fluency and whether a decision was good or bad. So you can tell it very frankly whether you found that it was a wrong decision or you appreciated that decision. So kindly make notes of all the things, few words of vocabulary, and topic 1, 2, and 3 should be totally covered. We can see first is the answer, second is the decision that person made, and third is about whether it was good or not. This is an explanation part. So let's see, we have a sample answer here, and by that time you people can also think that what answer you could have given. So can we please move on to the sample answer? Okay, continue reading the sample answer loudly.
Okay. So we have,
Hello.
yeah.
Okay, I
Yes.
have a question, ma'am.
Yeah.
When it is written someone, so someone needs to be a person, or it can be a book or an inspirational thought, or like
No, no, it
magazine,
would be
newspaper, or something.
no, it would be a person only. Someone means a person.
Okay.
Yeah. Sanchit, continue.
Yeah. So we have to make a lot of decisions almost regularly to adjust to the changing circumstances of our life. Needless to say, not all of these decisions change our lives the way we expect them to. But today I would like to talk about a decision taken by someone I know which changed his life as expected. The person I am talking about was none other than one of my cousins. To describe my cousin, the first thing which I should tell about him is that I have known him to a very restless person. In other words, he always used to keep changing his mind. For example, if he liked a certain shirt one day, he would not like it the very next day. So my uncle and aunt, the parents of my cousins, were a bit worried about his mind changing habit because they thought that the habit would affect his future life and career. That's all.
Okay.
Yeah. So see, we had an answer here in which the person started it in a very systematic way, telling that how what is the effect of decision making, then what was an experience, it was about his own cousins. So this, you see, there's nothing very drastic kind of vocabulary has not been used in cue card, but it, they have made answer in such a way that it is like looking like a very small anecdote or an kind of a story or a note. So this is again very important thing about cue card, that you should start speaking in a systematic way where you should think that I'm just giving a kind of solution, a simple answer, a simple conversation with the examiner. Then your answer would be better framed. If you'll be feeling nervous, you'll have anxiety that what to say, what not to say, then you might spoil the answer. So this is a very simple answer. Now I would like you people to answer the same question. I will be giving 1 minute, and then we will be coming to one by one to everybody. So please make note of the answer which we have just discussed, and please come up with your answers one by one. Take 1 minute exactly, and then we'll start the conversation. The question is there in front of you. The time starts now. The time is over. 1 minute is over. So let's start, because if we will take more time during preparation, so we'll not get the real situation.
Okay, let's start.
So who's coming up first?
Shall I?
Okay.
Uh, as we all know that career plays a very important part in our life. So the one decision that I would like to share is the decision of my friend who has decided to take a career change in his life. So he was earlier a software developer, but he wasn't happy with his with his career and all. So by taking a bold decision of pursuing higher education abroad and stop their salary and taking loan is quite a good decision made for him. So he study abroad and get a good job there, and also he got two promotions. So that decision completely changed his life, which most of the people sometimes fear to take because of the facts like they need to take a huge loans, might be they go into the debt, or so like these are the things make persons differ from taking bold decisions. But he took that decisions, and which is very prosperous in their life, and he is now a very successful person in his life, and that completely changes life forever. Thank you.
Oh, okay, that's nice. So it was very clear that you're talking about your friend, what decision he made, and now you found that this decision was quite good, as the life for that person has changed forever, and he is in a satisfactory state of mind. So that was perfectly fine. Let's move on to the second candidate. Ayush, will
I'll
you?
go next.
Okay, go ahead.
Okay. In our day-to-day life, we make many different types of decisions, whether it could be a small decision or the bigger one. Like major decisions we take are usually related to educational streams which we are choosing, the marriage, the person we are selecting for the marriage, and some sort of life-changing decisions are very crucial, and we need to really think while making such decisions. As far as the good decision is concerned, I admire my friend the most. I have my friend who has taken the decision of moving to USA related to her masters, and she had done her masters there, and now she's doing jobs since last 3 years, and I find her very successful and happy with her life, and with the decision which she made like 3 or 5 years later, 5 years uh, 5 years before, and I really feel happy by seeing her successful and satisfied with her career and her achievement. That's it.
Hello. See, the answer was good, but the fluency needs to be improved. Okay, so what you did, Tejal, while you were making the notes, were your notes very clear that what you are going to start and what you are going to end with?
No, as such, I've added many things in between of my own
Right.
while.
Right.
Yeah.
So see what you have to do if you have to give your answer with more fluency and more clarity without repetition. Okay, so what you have to do, you have to utilize that 1 minute in a very effective manner. You should not get jumbled up there. You should have a proper chronological flow chart ready, that what would be my start. Expansion can be done at the time of speaking, I completely agree, but repetition and going back to the topic and coming back from there is not appreciable. So make a chronological flow chart. This is my start, this is my second thing to be covered, this would be the third, and this would be the last. So this will really help you to speak with more clarity, and it will be also, for the person who's listening, it would be easy for that person to appreciate more for the answer which you have framed. So in the next cue card, try to do this, and this is for everybody, that make note in a chronological way that what would be coming first and what would be coming next. Second, yes, you can do the expansion or you can reduce what you have to say while you're speaking. Okay, thank you.
Okay.
So next, who is coming?
Ma'am, I can just speak up
Okay, okay.
if okay, being in the very early stage of the building block of life. I'm currently a teenager, so there have been no very big decisions that I have to make or my friends have to make. So one of the decisions still, or decision of my friend still got stuck in my mind. It's regarding his social forming about his group making. Due to his introvert personality, he wasn't able to make some friends or um, friends and better we say some better mates. But his only decision that he took, that he came in my group and became an extrovert. Right now, he's an extrovert, so he's able to just interact with people a lot better than earlier. So this is the only specific decision that my friend made that changed his life. Thank you.
Okay. So now, fine. It was again that we always have chance for little improvement, but the idea was okay, and the start was good. Like you started it with the closing line and the starting line was good, but we can always make it more and more fluent because it was somewhere breaking in between. We need to avoid that. Okay, can we move to the next candidate?
Ma'am, may I?
Yes, please.
Uh, Ma'am, we all know we all know that today mostly people facing health problem. Here I am talking about my friend, which is well, I'm talking about my friend. She is suffering from some health problem and related to her breathing, especially during the before before lockdown. She never gave too much time to her health, but in lockdown period she gave sufficient time to her health and feeling better. So this decision make little change in herself and in her health also.
Okay, you did not mention, whether it was a good decision, and also you have to, you told that change in the health, so you can add some positive words. Okay,
Ma'am, actually I
like it,
feel some puzzle here. Na? I'm little puzzle here to answer.
okay, okay, no problem. Slowly and gradually, it will be better.
Yes,
Oh,
ma'am.
who's left? Who's left for the answer?
I think Arjun is left.
Okay, Arjun, are you there?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, please. Can you come up with the answer?
Mm, is anyone left, or I'm the only
No,
one who's left?
everybody has covered, like, the go through the answer. Then we'll be, after an answer, we'll be covering 2-3 more examples.
Okay. Uh, though I've actually not prepared because the dinner was in front of me. So, but I'll speak randomly. So,
Okay,
you know.
okay.
Okay. So, thanks for asking me this question. I would like to talk about my friend, my best buddy, whose name is Nitin, and it was an incident about a few years back. He completed his engineering from a reputed university, but although even the guy was so talented, but he was not able to got a job, and he was very upset because after having so much interviews and everything, he was not able to get a job, and he was pretty tensed. So I suggested him to go to any career counseling session and just have an advice, because basically the problem which I found in him was he was a little casual in his attitude. So then he went to a career counselor, and the advices and the points that they have mentioned, so it changed his life altogether. And I said that what tips you got from there. So one of the tip was that they said that ultimately we all are human beings, and we are not awarded for having brains. What we are awarded for is using it. So we need to think, and we need to do our SWOT analysis, that what are the strengths, what are the weaknesses that we have, and then after making all the analysis, then move forward in life. And you should be very specific in what one needs to do. And then that particular incident was such mesmerizing that it changed his mind altogether. And right now, if I see him, he's having a good designation, he has a family, and he was never interested in having a huge car or a huge house, but he lived a simple and good life. So he's like enjoying his family, he's spending quality time with his friends, and he has made a balance between his work life and uh, uh, personal life. So all in all, I think those advices are very important, and even I've been trying to learn from his experience. Thank you.
Okay. Okay. That was good. So we got to know that how it happened, what was the journey, and how the decision was fruitful. So a few words you could have changed, like you could say that he got disappointed after repetitive attempts to crack an interview. So this is where you use 2 through 3 lines to describe that he was upset and all those things. So rather than use an upset word, you can say he was disappointed with multiple failed attempts to crack an interview. So these are few lines when you can combine 3 4 lines into one line with better words. So the grade or the score which you can achieve would be higher. So try to work on that part also, that not using too many lines to describe a single situation. We can use better words, words with better intensity, so it would be easy for the examiner also, and you will be also finding that, you know, with lesser number of words I could speak more. So that's what good. Thank you everybody. Now we'll be seeing 2 more examples, how further we can, you know, take up different type of cue cards. So any one person can go ahead with the reading the question and the answer. So like Sanchit, you can continue.
Okay. Describe some local news that people in your locality are interested in. You should say what the news is, how you know about this news, how this news involves your locality, and explain
Okay.
why people. Yeah.
Yeah, that's again. So it's like we would be waiting for 1 minute, although maybe for some like 30 seconds or so, although we are not going to come up with asking you people these questions, but I want, before I show you the sample answer, I want you to note down something from your side. If this question would have come to you, what would have been your response? So what news it was, that how you know about this news, how the news involves in your locality. So kindly take just 30 seconds to think that if this is your question, what would be your answer, and then we'll see the sample answer. Okay, can we see the sample answer now? Okay, we can read the sample answer, please.
Sure. I live in a rather quiet and small town, and nothing much really happens in it except some occasional bird watching. Yes, many foreign birds visit it, and spending some lazy times in some local cafe and restaurants. Luckily, however, there's a local newspaper in my town for us to read, which provides us with local news about what happens and in and around our town. So today I would like to talk about one such news which the local people are really interested in. The news is about establishing a new train station in our little town, which the local people in my town had been demanding for since the days of my childhood. Anyway, I would have missed this exciting news had one of my cousins not informed me about it. So I immediately got a newspaper and started to read each and every word of the news, lest I missed something. That's it.
Okay, yeah. So we see that it was very well explained whether it was a, like it was a small town, or what was the news, why people were interested. So they framed it in a different manner. You could frame it in a different manner, but it is very important that it should have a proper start, proper content, proper ending. So this must have given you some idea that how we can utilize this type of question and how we can make a simple but interesting answer. We can see one more example. Okay, this is our last example for the day. So we can just read it.
Okay. Describe an important journey that was delayed. You should say where you were going, why the journey was important and what caused the delay, and explain how you felt about the delay.
Okay. So again, we'll wait for some 30 seconds to 40 seconds for you people to write your keywords, key points, or kind of a flow chart that what you would say, and then we'll see the sample answer. So now let's proceed and see the sample answer, that how it could be framed, so we can get some idea out of it. Can we please move on to the sample answer?
We have to go to different places because we have many needs in our life. Of course, not all those travelers and journeys require planning in advance. Rather, it is the only important journey which require planning in advance. And today I would like to talk about one such important journey which was delayed even after enough proper planning. The journey I wanted to take was to attend the graduation ceremony of one of my nephews about a few years ago. By the way, my nephew and I have a very close bond. In fact, it was because of my advice that my nephew chose to study engineering, and he told me that his graduation ceremony would remain incomplete if I didn't attend his graduation ceremony. So I attended that graduation ceremony, had great emotional value to me. Besides, I also didn't want to miss that one in a lifetime event of my nephew.
Okay. So we have seen that how we can actually answer the cue cards in a very systematic way, having a proper approach, utilizing that 1 minute with lot of effectivity, not feeling any kind of anxiety and nervousness. We are not getting puzzled with cue cards anymore. We are having an approach, a system to answer it at least for 1.5 minutes, and that should be the stamina. Second, make sure that you are at least adding 2 to 3 words of vocabulary which is related to the topic, because that would be the adding kind of a score addition to your overall band. So keep on practicing. We'll be like sharing some of the questions with you, so you can practice on that. Other than this, the questions which we have just discussed today, so you can also frame proper answers for that. You can do a recording for yourself, listen to it, so that you'll know that whether you are using fillers or you are repeating a lot, whether vocabulary missing. So you can give it a try by giving all the answers completely and recording and re-listening to it. Any other question from your side? Kindly come up if there's any query in your mind, you want to ask something regarding today's session or anything regarding the speaking. So there are no queries. Tejal, Ayush, Arjun, anything you want to ask?
No, ma'am. I think I'm clear.
Okay. Fine. So keep practicing. So let's wind up the session for today.
Okay.
Thank you so much.
Thank you, ma'am.
You can ask later on also. If anything comes to your mind, we can discuss it later on also. But please make sure that you will